In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect QuickBooks Online to TurboTax, ensuring a smooth and seamless transition of your financial data from one platform to another. This integration is designed to save you time and effort by automatically transferring the necessary information, so let's dive right in. First, we need to start by opening your web browser and navigating to the QuickBooks website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. It's crucial that you have both your QuickBooks and TurboTax accounts set up and ready for this process. If you haven't done so already, make sure that your QuickBooks accounts have tax lines assigned. This setup is vital as it ensures the correct data is brought over to TurboTax. Next, locate and open your specific QuickBooks data file that you wish to import into TurboTax. With QuickBooks up and running, switch over to TurboTax and open your tax return file. This will allow TurboTax to access the data it needs from QuickBooks seamlessly. Within the TurboTax interface, head to the menu bar and select the File option. From there, navigate to Import and then choose from Accounting Software. This is where we'll tell TurboTax to link up with QuickBooks. At this point, you'll see QuickBooks listed as an available option. Select it and then hit Continue to initiate the connection. Once you've established the connection between the two platforms, TurboTax will walk you through the rest of the import process. It's designed to be straightforward with step-by-step prompts. Simply follow these prompts on your screen to continue the integration process. Along the way, you may need to authorize certain permissions to ensure both QuickBooks and TurboTax can communicate effectively. After you've completed the import process, it's important to carefully review your data within TurboTax. Ensure that all the imported information appears accurate and reflects your records correctly. This verification step is crucial to catch any discrepancies or errors before moving forward with your tax filings. By double-checking this information, you'll maintain the integrity of your financial data and avoid potential issues later on. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully connected QuickBooks Online to TurboTax, making your tax filing process much more efficient. Remember, the key to a smooth import is ensuring everything is correctly set up in QuickBooks before you start. This includes assigning tax lines and having your financial records up to date. As always, if you encounter any issues or have specific questions, don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy tax filing.